Okay, well, hello YouTubers. I wanted to show a video on some chimes and some things that I've done differently on some chime making because I'm retired and that's what I do. This is a set of chimes that I made. It was a prototype for some other chimes. And it's made out of galvanized fence pipe that I've painted, and it's been out in the weather for a couple of years and done well. You can see I've got to do some repair work to it. Originally I did this with I think 60-pound fishing line, and just this winter the fishing line on one of these broke with some strong wind. So anyway, I'm going to repair that. But one thing I wanted to show was how I put these pins in this galvanized pipe. This is something that I had not seen done anywhere, and it's what I use on all the wind chimes that I make now. And I've made many since this one. So I wanted to show that, and maybe a couple other things as well. This top was something that I made originally out of plywood. The ones I make now are much nicer. So anyway, let me show how I make this. Put this pin in the galvanized pipe, and here's a piece of galvanized fence pipe. I've drilled the hole in the middle, and let me just say that this is just some examples on some things to do if you're making chimes. If you want to get into this, I'd recommend you go to Lee Height's website. Fantastic website, and gives you a ton of information on how to make chimes. And most everything I picked up from his website. And so all I'm showing here is just some alternative ways to do things. So I've drilled the hole. You can drill the holes in different ways. I use a center jig for my drill press. You can make one, or you can do different things. Drill the hole in the pipe, and then what I use for the pin is this is a tie that is used for putting up hurricane fence, and they're very flexible, very easy to bend, you can see. And I'll put it in this hole here, and I'll pause the video for a second, set the phone up, and show you how to do this. Pipe, and put the fence tie into the pipe, and leave yourself a little room on one side, and then just clip the other side off. And you can see probably there. And then it's just a matter of setting this up on your vise or a hard surface, and just start tapping that in. And I rotate it around, rotate the hammer around, rotate the pipe around. You can see what it's doing. It's flaring that end because this is very soft metal. And it's also flaring this other side. And at the same time that it's flaring it, it's bending it's bending that wire in the pipe. This one I did more quickly than I usually do. And probably had it a little bit longer than I normally would. But that's the concept. That's the idea. You would take a little more time and just tap on the end of that fence tie and turn it from side to side. And it'll flare out these sides, and actually it holds really well. And then what you have, I don't know that you can see down in the middle of the pipe, but what you have, yeah, you might can see that, is a V on your fence ties, so that when you run your string or whatever you use down the middle and loop it back to hang it, it will automatically center that rope. And I'm going to move everything over here. All right. So the way that I do the string in the pipe, this is a string that I use. It's a 1.5 millimeter cord. First thing I do is just put a slip knot in the end of it and tie on a screw, whatever you have. And I think I saw this on Lee Height's website, or maybe another website, and just simply drop it down in the pipe, let it go down far enough, turn the pipe over, and then hopefully we'll kind of, well, in that case it didn't catch. I've got that. Okay. Had to get the V centered so that the screw would go around both sides of it, and that's something you'll have to do. But drop the screw down in, turn it over, bring it back through, and you can see that it catches on. It catches on the V, holds the string in place. Move the screw, and then it's just a matter of putting some type of slip knot, a holding knot on there. And there's various knots you can use. Some, taut line knots you can use to do this. And then you just simply push it down. Push the knot down into the pipe and tighten it up. I'm not going to do this one because I don't need it on there. All right, and that's about it. Hope that helps you.